It's that time. Surprise package time, surprise package time. What did I order? I don't know, cause I ordered a long time ago. Surprise package time, surprise package time. I'm really having fun with my watch. Let's see. This little project right here is from some sort of fulfillment center. Let's really have no idea what this is. Small. Oh. Hey, I thought this was in the other shipment. These are more these little micro wireless LEDs. With the actual colors and stuff. Geez, that means the ones I got in the bag before, those were just the ones included with the loop kit. You know, these things come in a variety of sizes. So there's tiny and then there's unbelievably small. I wouldn't call any of them gigantic. Alright. I wonder if I should put these by a charger and see what they do. Sounds like a plan, right? Alright. Here's my handy dandy little charging loop. Let's power this thing on. Well, this one's kind of faint. It's just a little tiny bit of light, isn't it? Let's see. I believe this is the smallest one I ordered. A tiny little point of light in the darkness. I think this is a 4mm. Let's see about these. Oh, come back here, you. Some nice bright blues, maybe. Well, this one is real dim. I wonder if it's broken. Let's take it out and find out if I can avoid knocking over my camera again. There we go. Wow, some of these have to be gotten real close before they work. It won't even work in the center. It's got to get up to the edge a little bit. Oh, I see. It's so small, I guess the polarity matters, because if it's on its side, it doesn't turn on. Interesting. So if you pick up these little things to use them in your own projects, and you get the really, really small ones, let's see, you've got to make certain, I guess, that you're that they're going to be facing with the loop. Because if they face against it, they don't work. That's interesting. I've never heard anybody mention that before. How about these little buggers? Yeah, the red ones. They're a little more cooperative. Interesting. Same thing again, though. Some of these are not working unless they're standing upright. Let's see. Put a little stress on the charger. Ooh, hey, bright white one. I think it'll power all of them on at the same time, assuming they focus or sit in the right direction. Yeah, you could probably put like at least 10 or 12 on there before it starts straining the battery. Eventually, these will start pulling enough current off of here to strain a power source. But I'm guessing you'd probably have to use like 100 of them before you start seeing that. I don't know how much power loss is involved here. This does actually lose power as opposed to a direct connection. So maybe 20 is a more conservative estimate. But 20 of these LEDs is a lot of LEDs in a project, right? Alright, thus ends another exciting episode of Surprise Package Time, Surprise Package Time.